well, but I'm sick. So this is one of my comfort food. I grew up eating this porridge, no, lugaw. So as you can see, I just boil this half cup of rice. Keep boiling. I guess it took like 30 minutes, and I'm ready to eat it now. Since I'm sick, I'm adding ginger on my lugaw. I added some egg as well, and dahon ng sibuyas. So I'm gonna drop it here. It's been very cold lately, so natamaan tayo. Not feeling well, but I'm okay. So I just want to share with you guys. Ito ang isa sa mga comfort food na kinakain ko, hinahanap-hanap ko. Maybe because I grew up eating this. This is how my mom also sometimes stretch our rice, you know, because if you cook half cup of porridge, it's like 2 or 3 people can eat it already. So that's how you stretch your budget. So ito siya. Kaya kinalakihan ko siya, and then I keep looking forward. I'm not feeling well, so I keep, this is one of the one that makes me feel so good. So yun, we have a lot of ginger over there. Hopefully I'll feel better. And I just want to share with you guys my lugaw for tonight. And have a great day. Take care. Bye.